trippin' Aquafina, I'm sippin' 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make bitches, I'm
Yo, what's up? So today heading out to Battlesburg MX. Got Nick's vans all loaded up. Got his bike, got my bike, everything's all loaded down. We're here at the shop right now picking up a Thump Star to go ride. So, which is my bike. Going to pick it up. I'll give you guys a little walk around because I know people were asking what the bike has and everything, or they wanted to see what it would look like and what all I got done to it. So about to walk in right now and we'll give you guys a walk around. So we're out here at East Central Motorsports right now picking up my bike, loading it up onto Nick's van. But give you guys, they got all sorts of Thump Stars. They got Apollo, they got SSR, and all the quads you could think of. But they got the 110s, they got 70s, they got the 125s, 140s, and the 190s. But right now they have for sale a this is a 146. It's a 140, but it has a big bore that I put on it for them, and it's got a V2 race head billet dress up kit with the VM26 carb and the 146 jug and piston and everything. So everything on this thing's all tricked out. They want $22.99 for it. So if anybody's in the Talmadge, Kent area to come and check it out. So then you got Tony's bike. He also has the 146 kit, but he's got the black billet dress up. It's a little bit different, but same thing. And then we got my bike also sitting here, about to load it up. Walk around on my bike. I don't really have that many modifications to it right now, other than like I got my breakaway lever and my shifter. Other than that, pretty much left it all stock. But now at Battlesburg, it's real muddy out, like in the parking area, but on the track it looks like it's pretty decent. Doesn't look too muddy as long as you stay on the parts that's already packed down. But we got the van stuck already, so hoping it dries up. We got Nick went out on the little kid track already, so as you can see it's a little muddy, but Logan's been out there. He biffed it once already.
Oh yeah.
Biffed it good, look at that. Oh yeah. Caked up and down. Quad out here ripping though.
minute, something ain't right. Cause then I start to taste them. I say,
pit bike track.
It's a mini track. I'm allowed to be on it.
What did he say?
I have it on GoPro, I think.
You do?
What's up? So that's gonna cap off all the video from Battlesburg MX for this weekend. Nick is getting the van all washed up right now because we got it stuck, and we ended up getting it out, but it was a mud hole there because it's been raining all week. But got the truck out, van out. Let's go see what he's up to. So, anyways, got the bikes all cleaned up. Got them looking real nice. Dried off already. Pretty much everything we need is right here at Nick's shop. We can just use pressure washer, whatever we need, air hose, whatever. But anyways, overall good weekend. So I'm gonna cap the video off here. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.